Good morning everyone. After 2 days of intense cubing, we are finally here in the finals of Indian Nationals 2023. Let's go see some action.
I'm facing back to front, over my shoulder at the sun. And it's an open door, and off my line of sight once more. And I don't let